हाथ न छूटे रांझावे साथ न टूटे रांझावे.
For now, you have to eliminate all these cute things and focus on the elimination, how spread operator does. Okay, so let's suppose we are having object 1. Okay, let me create another object which is some other values. So here one of the attribute or the field name I will going to kept same, that is name 2 again, and here we're going to add some different value. This is test 3. Okay, what will going to happen if I'm going to combine both these arrays? Okay, this, let's suppose this is object 3. Using the spread operator, let's combine both the object. This is now print. So you will going to see only 3 values you will going to have in your combination of array. Name 1 is there, 2 is there, and 4 is there. Okay, why? Because whatever the duplicates will be there, if the same field is available in object 1 and in some other object also, instead of again adding the same field, it will going to override it. Okay, it's the value is overridden here. Instead of test 2, it will going to show you the test 3, which is the new value in the same field. Okay, here you can see the same thing. So instead of 4 different values, you will only going to have 3 values. The second one will going to have a new value stored into it. Okay,